go off. Hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang.
What's up, YouTube? This is a tutorial on how to get drum kits and drum samples into GarageBand Mobile. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first step is to download the download app on the App Store, and the icon will look like this. Okay, then we go to search browser. You type in, like I'm gonna type in free NBA Youngboy kit, drum kit. Alright, and then scroll down. I'm gonna let's use this one right here. No, this one. This one's perfect. So let's tap on it. Scroll down. Okay, this looks perfect. So you're gonna press download. Let's see what's in it. Here we got 808s, claps, cymbals, hi-hats, kicks, etc. We're gonna press that download icon at the top and then click download, and it'll bring us to here. Like, you'll see a 1 on the download icon at the bottom of the screen. So you just tap on it and just wait till this downloads. Now that it's done downloading, we click on it and then click extract. Tap on the file. You could tap on anyone. I'm tapping snare. I'm gonna tap on the first one. So you could just scroll through, look through all the different samples they have. They have snares in this one. They have cymbals. They also have percussions. Scroll down, check out, and then basically you're looking for what you want to put into your beat on GarageBand. So I guess I should show you like how to get that stuff into GarageBand now, right? Alright. So I plan on making a Playboy Cardi beat, so I think the perfect 808 for that would be the Millie Rock 808. So I tap on it, scroll down, open in, save to files, to iCloud Drive, and then bam. So now I'm gonna come out the app and then open up the GarageBand app. Once it's loaded up, oh, it's some other project. Hold on. Alright, press the plus mark at the top. Scroll all the way over to the piano. What? My finger just slipped on this. I'm sorry. Scroll all the way over to the piano. Then click sample. It's the music note inside of the chat bubble. Press import audio files. Go down to browse. And then there's the Millie Rock 808. But you see it popped up in my recent, so you'll have to go to browse, location, iCloud Drive, and then it should be the first one that pops up. But since I already downloaded it, it's already inside my drive. That's why it's under recent. And the next step is you tap on the file, and then once it finishes loading, you go to audio files, back to audio files, type in the name of your sample, and bam, it's there. Hold on, I spelled Millie wrong, I guess. Bam, it's there. You click the arrow, and there it is in your sampler. I'm having way too much fun over here, you know. I'm such a gook. So guys, that's the video. You guys could use a sampler and make a beat inside a GarageBand mobile with some 5 808s, 5 hi-hats. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. Like, how do I make the hi-hats change pitch? I've seen that in my comments before. So my next video tutorial might be that. But shout out whoever's watching this. I really appreciate y'all watching my video. I mean, it's lit, you know. I'm a gook. Okay, you guys are probably like, what is this girl doing? Listen, I'm having way too much fun. This is what I do in my spare time. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching this video. Bye.